Hello, hello.
Hello, peeps.
Fellow pickle peeps.
Got the Prescott pickle lady here.
That's right. This is Diane Bro. This is my better half, Randall Bro.
I'm the sidekick.
That's right. We are here. We're with eXp Realty.
That's
Happy
right.
to join you today and talk about some of the fun stuff here in Prescott. One of them is, if you are not a gun aficionado, you might want to skip this one. And I understand.
Yeah, well, in Arizona in general, guns are popular. And we were amazed at just how many of our friends like to shoot.
Had no idea.
Yeah.
So it's not just for defense.
Yeah.
Prescott is a really great town. People love to go to the shooting ranges to relax and practice their shooting. There's also a lot of outdoor ranges and outdoor areas. So you can go, especially in the fall, and enjoy beautiful weather and shoot at targets.
Yeah, if it gets a little dry,
Lovely.
they have a shooting ban outside.
Yes,
Because evidently you can start a fire that way. But, yeah, in the fall and other areas, that's all lifted.
You know, you go out and have a nice picnic, shoot your guns, shoot your rifles, perhaps your ARs.
Yeah, your ARs. Unbelievable. Our friends had some of these advanced weaponry, which are a lot of fun to shoot.
It's a lot of fun to shoot.
Yeah.
And so if you are a gun enthusiast, Prescott is the town for you.
It is your place.
First of all, Arizona, it does allow open carry.
Yes.
You can also get your concealed weapon if you want to go one step further. And so it is kind of still has a little feel of a little Western town.
Yeah,
You'll see some people, carry on their side. And if that makes you feel uncomfortable, I understand. But for most people here, they're very responsible. It's an enjoyment thing for them. They are either hunters or they just love to practice and target shoot.
Yeah, well, one thing about people who shoot, they do know gun safety. That's basically what it's all about.
100%.
Recently, there was something in the news about a gun accident that happened in Hollywood, and all of our friends were like, he should have known better, you should have known better.
Yes.
That's the thing about guns. It's all about knowing the safety and, and how to be safe. And people who know guns, they're pretty good about that. So
if you are, like I said, a gun enthusiast, you will really enjoy it here. People love there's clubs you can join.
Yeah.
You can go shoot for fun. As well as for your own protection, if that's your thing.
If that's your thing.
Lots of shooting ranges.
Yeah, a lot of shooting ranges, some to avoid, and at least one in particular, but we don't want to record that. So you can ask about it. We also put on the relocation center, the ones that we recommend.
Absolutely. There's some great ranges. So if you're coming here and you're wondering, hey, do they have shooting ranges there? Are we allowed to shoot outdoors? The answer to that question is yes.
Yes.
Is it an open carry? Yes. If you are, but it's all to each his own.
Yeah.
And everybody here is extremely responsible.
Yeah. And if all you want to do is have fun, you're not particularly concerned about security, which honestly,
don't have to worry about security.
Really not a big deal.
Not at all.
Just a whole lot of fun. You can shoot handguns. Some people shoot skeet outside.
That's fun. Yes, that's a lot of fun.
It just can be a lot of fun. A lot of people who are into it and can do it with you. And they got some really cool stuff. There's a noise cancellation headphones.
Yeah.
Where you put the headphones on and it actually has a microphone. So you're talking to your friends and everything. But when someone fires a gun, it automatically cuts out. Yeah. And that's pretty high tech. I was very impressed by that.
We were very impressed. Yeah. We had a great time. We got invited by some friends.
Yeah.
We've since joined a couple of gun ranges. We've learned what it's all about.
Yeah.
It's kind of a new little chapter. It's fun.
Yeah.
So if that's your thing, and that's your hobby, Prescott is the place for you.
Absolutely.
You would really enjoy it. So I just want to give you a little heads up on that. Lots of folks here who belong to different gun ranges and have a lot of fun. It's kind of a meditative thing sometimes.
Yeah, that's I shot for the first time, I guess, a year or two ago. And I thought it was going to be sort of a testosterone-filled, like you see on the movie screens and everything.
Not at all.
And honestly, it was quite zen.
Yes.
Because you're focusing. It was amazing just how tranquil the whole thing was. I liked it a lot more
It's
than I
true.
thought it was.
Yeah, we did too.
Yeah.
So anyway, just wanted to share that with our gun enthusiasts, gun aficionados out there. If that's your thing. Prescott would, has a lot to offer you.
Yep.
If that's what you really enjoy on your downtime.
If you're looking for more things that Prescott can offer you, one place you might try is pickle411.com. That is our information center, all free. Lots of things that you can do here,
Yep.
things about real estate, places you can eat, places you can go. A wonderful source of information, and it is all free, and just, honestly, it's spectacular.
It is spectacular. Great place.
Great place.
Yeah, great place. We've got lots of things to offer all of you folks out there thinking about where do we want to wash up next. Here it is.
Here it is, folks.
We washed up here 6 years ago. No regrets.
That's it.
No regrets.
That's it.
All right, my friends, we hope to hear from you soon. Give us a call if you need anything, 713-302-1964. And we hope you have a fantastic day.
Absolutely.
Bye.
Bye.